Well, we made the decision to actually sell our house that we'd built new and lived in for, was it 12 years?
Yep.
13 years just about. And we just says, you know, someday when we retire, we want to like move into a motorhome and travel around and kind of be free of all this stuff. And so we said, well, what if we did it now and didn't wait till retirement age? And so that kind of began the conversations of doing this journey of downsizing and simplifying our life.
We were on vacation in Colorado last May, and we were coming back home, and I said, I don't want to go back home. Like, I want to stay in the camper. And the RV we had that time was much smaller. But it was just like the time we had as a family and the amount of things I had to take care of were so much simpler that it brought us so much joy. So we kind of said, what if we did this right now?
And we found that getting rid of stuff actually gave us more freedom. And it's helped us to have more family time too, just being in a tighter quarters, and also just having to work together as we move around and load up and unpack and all that stuff with our camper. So
My name's Colvin.
My name's Kaden.
My name's Elena.
My name's Gabe.
The favorite thing about being in the camper is that we just like travel around and we just like go to different kind of campsites, and sometimes they have a lake like this or have like mountain biking trails or just other random trails.
I like it that I can be fancy in the camper.
Right now, this is a really good fit for us. It's bringing us a lot of joy.
yeah, it's really freed up opportunities for us to help other people
Yes.
too. You know, by simplifying our life, we're able to bless others, which has been great joy for both of us. That's really where we want to get as well. Not alone, you know, like in simplifying the life, it's the opportunities to give more. So
Yeah.